Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two top-notch dash cams, the Aerophase dash cam front and rear 2K+1080P with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi, and the e-Jaeger dash cam Wi-Fi 2.5P front dash camera. Get ready for some serious dash cam action. Let's start with the most crucial aspect of any dash cam, the video quality. The Aerophase dash cam boasts a 2K+1080P front and rear camera, capturing crystal clear footage from every angle. But hold on, the e-Jaeger dash cam takes it up a notch with its 2.5K 1440p front camera, providing 70% higher pixels than 1080p. That's some serious resolution power. Now let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities of these dash cams. The Aerophase dash cam utilizes advanced GC-CMOS sensor technology and f1.5 aperture to achieve super night vision. But wait, the e-Jaeger dash cam comes equipped with f1.8 large aperture and super night vision technology, ensuring clear and sharp footage, even in low light conditions. It's like having your own personal spotlight. Let's move on to connectivity. The Aerophase dash cam comes with built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi and an app for Android and iOS smartphones. You can easily access a live stream, download videos, and even share your footage on social media platforms. But wait, the e-Jaeger dash cam also offers smooth 2.4G Wi-Fi and app control, allowing you to preview, download, and share your videos with family and friends. It's like having a personal social media manager. Now let's talk about parking mode. The Aerophase dash cam automatically switches to parking mode when your car is parked, ensuring continuous protection. It detects collisions and even offers time-lapse recording. But hold on, the e-Jaeger dash cam takes it a step further with its 24-hour parking mode and time-lapse feature. Say goodbye to any unwanted surprises when you come back to your car. Last but not least, let's talk about the price. The Aerophase dash cam is priced at $119, while the e-Jaeger dash cam comes in at $79. It's time to crunch some numbers. Both dash cams have their strengths, but the e-Jaeger dash cam stole the show with its superior video quality, night vision, and affordable price. And that's a wrap, folks. Today we compared the Aerophase dash cam front and rear 2K+1080P with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi against the e-Jaeger dash cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440 front dash camera. Both dash cams have their strengths, but the e-Jaeger dash cam stole the show with its superior video quality, night vision, and affordable price. Remember, always buy smart. Thanks for watching Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.